sedan that has remote start and tons more, then you're going to love this 2014 Chevy Impala. I'm Alana here at Woody's Automotive Group in Chillicothe and Lee Summit, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Raters Dealer of the Year for 2017 and 2018. And you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So, comes in this dark gray color. You have your Chevy badge right there in the middle with some chrome outlining, and then these halogen headlamps up front. This has a 3.6 liter V6 engine, so plenty of power underneath that hood. And then looking at your wheels, those are 16-inch alloy wheels in that 5-spoke design. Lots of tread left on those tires as well. And then looking over at your side mirrors, they are power adjustable. Okay, so looking at these front seats, we have these gray cloth seats, so soft. And then you have that kind of textured insert in the middle right there. Your driver's side is power adjustable. And then looking at your steering wheel, you have your cruise controls right here, your hands-free voice communication, and your media controls right there. Then looking over at your LCD media center, you have that screen there with all of your presets, have a CD insert, and then you have your other buttons for your radio, plus your climate controls down below. You also have two 12 volts down here, lots of space. You can put your phone there while it's charging. And I also love all this wood grain accenting you have here and along your dashboard and everything as well. Then you have two cup holders down here, and then your center console has another 12 volts, so plenty of charging inside this vehicle. Then looking up, you have OnStar, which is subscribable. Now let's go look at the back seat. Okay, so looking at this back seat, super spacious, room for 3 passengers on that bench seat. Lots of legroom, just lots of space. Then making your way around the side, you have your LED tail lamps back here and your limited badge. And you do have a power trunk and remote start on your key fob right there. You can start your car up in the winter and have it nice and toasty when you want to leave. And then tons and tons of room inside of this trunk for all of your groceries and all of your, suitcases and everything. But overall, this is a great vehicle. It has under 35,000 miles on it, and it's a 2014, so that's amazing. And you have your remote start, just tons of space. And if you want to see this Chevy or any of our other cars, visit our website, wowwoodies.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that's quite a bit, right?
What do you think differentiates Woody's from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
I have so many different vehicles on the lot.
No fees processed. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.